How to fix Android setting icon missing. So for example, here I have my settings icon. So here I have my settings icon or settings app on my mobile, right? So if you don't find your settings icon on your mobile, then there is a way. You can simply scroll down, and here on the bottom right of your like notification bar or your bar, you will have that settings option. You can simply tap on that settings or that gear shaped icon, and it will simply take you to your settings. But if you really want that app or settings icon, then you can simply restart your device. You can simply hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option. You can simply restart your device. So sometimes your device might need an update or might need a restart, so you can simply do that, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But even after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to make sure that if you have a hide icon settings on your device, like if you have hide apps section, then you can simply go for those hide apps, and you have to check that if your settings is in that hide app section. So simply check that. If that is in your hide app section, you can simply remove that from your hide apps, and you will have that settings icon. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.